Hello friends, welcome to GSSK channel. Today in this video we are going to see about how to convert a normal PPT into a video lecture. That is adding voice narrations in each and every slides of the PPT. In this way you can able to deliver your content in whatever way that we have to portray to the audience. If you are giving a normal PPT, it will have the content alone. The reader will read the content and they will understand in their own point of view or their own perspective. So while adding narrations, it's 100% that you can deliver the content with the way or the point of view which you have created it. So let us get into the video. Please do subscribe to GSSK channel and click the bell icon symbol to get notified for each and every video. So to create audio narrations, need not any plugins or no need any other software. PowerPoint is more than enough. We have an option for recording or audio. So I'm just creating another slide. So now we have 3 slides in our PPT. So now you will see how to add narrations. Go to the menu called slideshow and you can see an option called rehearse timing and record slideshow. On rehearse time, what is meant by rehearse timing is you can able to rehearse yourself how many minutes it will take to deliver the content of this PPT. Say for example you are asked to give a lecture for 1 hour or 2 hours. If you are ready with your PPT, you can go with this option and you can narrate yourself, or you can rehearse yourself, and you can check how much time it is taking. And also these times will be recorded for each and every slides. I will show you how to do. Click the rehearse time options, so it automatically starts. On the left top corner you will have the option. It will show the current running time of this slide, and this will show the running time of the entire things. So when you are finishing with this slide, you can just press this arrow mark to go to the next slide, and you can start explaining the slide number 1. So this is your slide number 1 time, and after finishing it, after giving the explanation, you just click the next button. So slide number 2. Now start giving presentation on slide number 2. So you can just pause if you want. The total number seconds taken is 38 seconds, and you can stop here using this into symbol. So it will ask the total time taken for this slideshow presentation is 40 seconds. If you want to store, you can press yes. Otherwise you can set no and you can restart the rehearsing time again. So I'm giving yes, and I will show you the time taken for each and every slide. This is displayed here. So it's 20, 12 and 9. Okay, so if you are okay with this timing, and you can go ahead again, you have to record using this option. So here rehearse time will set up only the timings for the slides. If you want to add audio with the timing, go straight away for record slideshow. Okay, so there are 2 options available: start from the beginning or start recording from the current slide. So if you are already finished with some of the slides, you can start with the intermediate. So if you want to begin again, there are 2 options. So most of the slides might have the animations, most of the slides does not have the animations. So these are the option for giving animations on or off. The second option is very important, that is whether you are going to add the narration or not with the laser points. So giving start recording. So give your explanation for the title slide. When the title slide explanation is over, the same thing, click the next icon and give the explanation for the slide 1. Give the next icon, give the explanation for the second slide. Now we can close this button. Yeah, now we can see the timing is 8 seconds for the slides, 6 seconds for the slide 1, 5 seconds for the slide 2, and you can see an audio icon symbol at the right and bottom of each and every slide that states that you have added successfully your audio narration to the slides. Now if you press F5, your slides will play with your recorded audio. That's it. So give your explanation for the title slide. When the title slide explanation is over, the same thing, click the next icon and give the explanation for the slide 1, give the next icon, give the explanation for the second slide. Now we can close this button. So all your slides have the recorded timing, so it will play automatically with your audio. So this is how the way we can create a simple video lecture on your PPT. So next video I will tell you how to save and share the PPT that others can't able to edit it. So please stay tuned to our channel.